This is a Bentley Flying Spur and this is the 2015 model, and today I will be ceramic coating this car. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today, and let's start by washing the wheels first. So these are the original wheels that are on the car, but the customer does have some custom wheels for it. There are 24-inch 4G Auto wheels and they are white in color. So in the previous video I did show I washed them and ceramic coated them as well. So if you have not watched the video, make sure to watch the video after this one. And guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and comment down below to let me know what you think. To give you a little background about this car is actually wrapped in white color, and this is a vinyl wrap. This is not paint. So here you see me, my pressure washer wand is actually far away from this wrap. I don't want to get too close to it because it might damage it. So if you are ever dealing with a wrapped car, make sure not to take the pressure washer too close, it might damage it. And on this Bentley there was a lot of glue spots left all over the wrap, so I had to take care of them using an IPA wash when I was prepping the vehicle for ceramic coating. So guys, if you deal with the wrapped car, make sure always use as gentle approach as possible. So as I'm drying the vehicle, I did promise in my previous video that I will show you the collection that this customer has. Here is a 1950 Dodge that he has, and the second car that he has is a Lamborghini Gallardo, and outside on his driveway he has a Mercedes S-Class and a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. The Lamborghini, I stood right next to it, and actually it's a very small car. As always, I really enjoy using Adam's graphene ceramic coating, and this is actually their advanced graphene coating, and the manufacturer claims that this coating is a 9-year coating. So we will apply this ceramic coating on the wrap. It's very easy to apply. Always make sure apply in cross hatch process. It covers all the area, and always make sure, depending on the temperature, how much area you can cover. Suggested area to cover is a 2x2 area. It's a small section, but if your temperature is permitting, you can cover a larger area. And this was a cold day, so I could cover larger areas because the flashing time for the ceramic coating gives me ample amount of room to cover large area. Just like always, I thank you guys for watching the video. I hope I was able to help you guys with some tips on how to detail wrapped cars, or even how to ceramic coat your cars. So guys, thanks for watching, and just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe.